Okay, guys, it's coming towards the end of the year. You're gonna have these clients, and every one of us has had them, where they told you they were gonna make 30,000, and they actually make 60,000 to get ACA subsidies. Now, it could have been due to a lot of factors. Maybe they worked overtime, maybe they got a new job, a raise, or maybe they took money out of their 401ks. So those are some of the things we're gonna talk about. Income reduction strategies. So these are things you can talk to your clients about if that's an issue that they may have. The easiest one, they can reduce $6,000 to $7,000 straight off their income with an IRA. And the great thing about this is they could actually wait till April 14th of next year to reduce the income for 2021. So it works great as a tax planning strategy. We use this a lot with some of our self-employed clients because they don't know what their income is going to be sometimes. And if they had a high income, they can dump in 6,000. If they're over 55, they can put in 7,000 into their IRA, and it's a dollar for dollar reduction in their income. So if somebody was making 30,000, they made 37, they can go back down to $7,000 with a deposit into an IRA account. And by the way, if you're annuity licensed, you can write that and make it an IRA annuity. So that's strategy number one. IRAs or 401ks, 403bs, any of the other retirement vehicles. But the IRA, I like those because you can wait till next year to still deposit for the current year. Strategy number two, 1099, self-employed people, any business people, what they can do this year and next year because of COVID, they have what's called bonus depreciation. Bonus depreciation allows them to deduct a huge amount of money all in 1 year if they buy the right assets. We have one client right now who made quite a bit of money. He's a plumber. So he's going to go over the limit. We know that. What we're doing now, before the end of the year, he's going to buy himself a brand new truck. That truck will be depreciated all in 1 year. This year, 2021, it'll bring his income from 120,000 down to $70,000 because it's a $50,000 truck. Huge difference, big tax savings, and it brings him back into where he's going to stay with the subsidy. The last one, if somebody was laid off, if somebody needed money and they had access to a 401k, an IRA, 403, any of these retirement funds, because of COVID, there is a special rule. Normally, if they pulled out 100,000, the entire $100,000 is taxed in the year it's withdrawn. But because of COVID, they can divide it by 3. A lot of people didn't know this last year. And what we're doing now is amending tax returns for people that pulled out, say, $100,000. Normally, this would be about $22,000 in taxable income if they pulled it all out in 1 year. By amending the return and dividing it by 3, you come down to $33,000, which probably puts them into a lower tax bracket. Instead of being taxed at 22%, they're not going to be taxed at 10 or 12%. 12%, 10%, that's $3,300 in taxes versus $20,000 taxes. That's number one to say that. The other thing is this income is going to reduce by 3 so they can qualify for subsidies again. Now, if you have any questions, call us. We are now officially doing taxes. We can do tax planning, tax strategies. We can do tax returns. We can do anything related to taxes. I'm now an enrolled agent, so we could represent people in front of the IRS. Any questions you have about taxes, call us and we can help you with it. So guys, look at these ways to help your clients out. You're going to do them a favor. You're going to become their favorite agent. You're going to save them tax money. You're going to save them subsidy money. Don't let them pay money. Don't let them pay extra that they don't have to pay.